Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Habiasa. Today I'll be talking about how I achieved $1,000 a month as a freelancer after 7 months of practice. It all started in 2020 while I was studying in computer science at the university. I had to choose my career path. There was like three choices. First one was working a 9 to 5 job, starting my own startup. Third one was doing freelancing and traveling around the world. So the most expensive one was becoming a freelancer because I can travel around the world, meet people, do my job at any time. So I registered to the website Upwork, and I luckily got my first client from Australian guy. I teach him about MongoDB GraphQL with the butter of the sports. I teach him for 2 months and got my first $100. But there was a problem. I had to get my money to see if it works actually. And there was only one choice I can take because I have no other choices in Mongolia. And I had to transfer the money globally. The global transfer fee is like $40. And for global transfer fee, port fee, government fee, and I'll only get my 50% of the money. So this sucks, right? So there are left with only two choices, personal startup or 9 to 5 job. And I want to build my own startup. It's way cooler, and I had this idea, very cool idea. I presented it to a event. There was my tech teachers. I presented it to them, and they thought it was just a template because the language is English. So they undervalued my startup idea. So I didn't go with that idea, and I actually used the template, translated it to Mongolia. My technological knowledge wasn't enough to build my own startup. I needed the real life experience. I had to pay my bills, and I started working in a local startup company, hoping I can build my own startup after getting experience. After working for months, I gained a lot of experience, and in 2022, I started doing side hustles and was earning $300. And nothing was like stopping me from getting more gigs and money. But there was one client. I had to build a admin panel and two mobile apps for $6,000 in 4 months. And this was a very big project and was very higher than my full time job, but I decided to do it as a side hustle. But this was very big project to do as a side hustle, so I built the project after 9 months of work, and I passed the project. I was so exhausted at the time, and I get burned out, and I didn't do side hustles. As I was working in a 9 to 5 job, there was something was telling me to go out of the safe zone and live the life I always wanted. Well, I decided to travel to Beijing in October 2023. I got into debt because I had money and I drove alone. When I was traveling around Beijing, I have never seen this many people live a life where their face is always bored and they always talk like there's no growth for them. I came back from the trip well rested, searched for the best way of finding the escape route from this miserable life where I play video games all night, go to work exhausted, can't support my family, no vacation freedom, only a part to pay my bills. So the first person came to my mind was Andrew Tate. I've been watching him talk about the metrics of the internet.
Start at the same time as everybody else. You don't have an advantage over everybody. You're going to run a race. You want to go first, don't you?
And he teaches the young men about how to get rich in his platform named The Real World. I joined The Real World with a monthly fee of $49, and there's like 250,000 students and more than 12 millionaires were teaching. Teachers are like very active. They always do live streams, always answer questions. After joining the real world, there was a lot of campuses. I had to choose which one is best for me, and I found social media and client acquisition was the best for me. And this campus, I learned about how to find clients online, how to deal with different clients, how to be professional, how to be charismatic, how to be famous, how to build my own social media account and do my business online, and this community is full of like-minded people. They always talk about growth and what mistakes, how to learn from them, and this 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 whole thing is not about only making money. This actually teaches you about how to be a man, how to be like how to train, how to exercise and fitness. Everything is inside. In popular Mongolian proverb, it says "Erkek Habiasa," which means you have to find by searching. You have to tell people about yourself. You're doing side hustle. You're doing freelancing, so they'll find for you. So I told people I know about I'm doing side hustle, I'm doing freelancing, I'm making money and kind of stuff. So they, if they have faced some problem or need someone, the first person came to their mind is me. So my services are building landing pages, mobile applications, and websites. So my next goal is to find clients globally and make $5,000. And now I'm currently developing my Twitter account. I'm in a meeting, a lot of meeting with potential clients online. And by the time you watch this video, I might be making $5,000. If you're passionate about something, don't sit around and scroll the internet, get manipulated by people you want to become. Spend at least a few months on one thing and one thing only. So that's my story of joining the real world for 7 months, and I'll be uploading more of my progress on this channel. So please subscribe and see you on the next one. Actually, click on this video. Go, come on.